Let's take a look at this 21-volt cordless grinder kit from Heywork. It features a 10,000 RPM brushless motor. The whole kit comes in a nice box. This is a heavy-duty box and can hold everything it comes with, including all the blades. This kit includes the cordless grinder itself, along with its charger and 21-volt battery. It also comes with a guard, as well as a handle, and a tool that allows you to change the blades. It comes with 2 wood blades, 2 metal grinders, and 2 packs of metal cutters. The box has a foam cutout to fit everything nicely. It also comes with a quick 1-page operation instructions. This is a pretty neat looking grinder. It feels nice and heavy duty in my hand. I really like the color scheme, as well as the rubber material for the grips. You can also lock the power lever by pressing down on the lock button. Then to unlock, just press on the lever once again. Here's the guard. To install it, you just position it wherever you need it. Then using a Phillips screwdriver, you simply tighten down the bolt. Here I'm going to install a grinding plate. I'm going to position it onto the chuck and hand tighten the nut. Then using the included tool, you can tighten it down further. In order to tighten it down all the way, you must press the lock button in the back to lock the blade so that it doesn't spin. The battery easily slides into the tool and clicks into place, just like any other familiar power tool. Here's the charger. As soon as you put the battery into the charger, it'll turn red, indicating that it's charging, and then back to green when it's done. Alright, we're ready to use this tool. It feels stable in my hands. When the power is pressed, it starts spinning right away. And more importantly, when you let go, the blade stops spinning quickly. As an added feature, you can also change the blade speed by pressing down the power button at the bottom of the tool. Alright, let's try this out by cutting some plywood. It cuts very smoothly with no problems. I really like this tool, and for everything you get, I think it's a very good value. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my video informative.